Hey Jim, you know if we have any more 30-06 shells? Nah, Thomas, I think we're out of the 30-06. Well, that's annoying. I need some for the next Thomas on the Farm video. I don't know what to tell you. Problem solved. Hi, I'm Thomas, and this is Thomas on the Farm. In this video, I'm going to be making a necklace which has a bullet casing on it. So in this particular video, I'll be using a 30-06 bullet casing, and that gets us into what you're going to need for this video. Obviously, you're going to need the bullet casing because that's going to be the main idea of the necklace. Next, you're going to need a drill with different size drill bits, depending on the size of hole you want to make in your casing. These two are optional, but a hole starter, I can put on there and hammer that top, and a hammer. Also optional is a vise. I have one sitting right here. It's definitely optional. You can do it without it, but it makes it a whole lot easier if you use the vise. So let's get into the video. Okay, so starting out, I have my bullet casing and my vise, and I'm going to go ahead and just start the hole for the drill. Put that on there and then just give it a nice little tap. Do another one, just like that, and right there you got a nice little dent starting where I can start drilling right there. Okay, so right here you can kind of see where I've made my dent, and now I'm going to start drilling. Get that in there. So I made it through the first section. Now I'm going to turn it around and do the same thing on the other side. So now we're on the other side of the bullet, and I'm just going to go ahead and tap it again. So I can just get it right there. Now I'm going to need a better tap than that. Let's bring it out. Tighten this up a little bit more. There we go. There we go. Alright, so now I'll loosen that up. Ooh, that's pretty bad. So on that last casing, I realized that I messed up and did the bullets in the wrong spot. So I went ahead and just got another 30-06 casing and just got to the point where we were last time, no dent on that side. And this time I'm going to just try to see if I can drill right through there. Not sure if that's going to work, but let's try it. It worked. Oh. Okay, so now we have that, which I'm going to have to stand off. Got a bunch of shavings coming out of there. So, we've got our two holes, and now I need to do some cleanup work on that, and I'll see you in a second. Okay, so back here, and I did some cleanup work, and then I realized it'd probably just be better if I drilled the bigger hole in it first. So I'm going to size up the hole a little bit, then do some cleanup work, and then see if I can get the chain in there. Yep. Okay. Go through this one. There you go, done, and boom. There we go. Alright. Okay, so back here, and when I was doing the cleanup work on cleaning up these holes, I saw these scratches from the vise, right? So I just decided, you know what, it can either be all scratched or it can either be all polished. So I just decided to scratch it up. I took a blowtorch and burnt it a little bit, took some sandpaper, scratched it up, make it look a little bit more rugged. So here in a second I'll show you the final reveal of it on a chain, and that'll be the end of the video. Well, here is the finished product. As you can see here, I've got my 30-06 casing with our holes in it there. And I put a dog tag on there because, just doesn't that look really cool? Let me just put this on. That looks really cool, and you can just throw that under your shirt like that and nobody will know it's there. I like it. I think that it's a cool thing that you can make really quick and easy. You know, you have a gun, shoot the gun, or you can even go to your local shooting range, show up for 5 minutes, and see if you can find a shell that you like, and make it out of that. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, subscribe by hitting my channel icon, the picture of me, somewhere right here. And if you want to see my last video, hit that box right there. If you want to see the video where I explain what this channel is all about, hit the box right here. You know, and be sure to subscribe, and I hope you enjoy my videos. And I'm Thomas, and I'll see you next time. Also, check the description if you want to see all the guns that were featured in this video.